Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Plenty of Fish account online on your computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Plenty of Fish account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in the address plenty pof.com and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Plenty of Fish, guys, as you can see over here. Now in order to log into your account, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the sign in button available for us over here. Click on sign in, and then you'll be directed to the sign in page of Plenty of Fish, where you'll be required to enter your username or your email address with which you want to with which you have created an account on the Plenty of Fish. And after entering your email address, guys, simply enter your password over here, and after that click on login. But if you have forgotten your password, guys, you can always click on the forgot your password button over here, which will take you to a page where you will be able to retrieve your Plenty of Fish account's password. And with that being said, guys, after entering an email address, entering your password, simply click on login, and then you'll be signed into your Plenty of Fish account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.